Kim! What are you doing, Trisha? Are you Singapore? How can you see what you're doing? I'm just listening. Alisa, water. Why did you do that?
Nasa'yo na ang
You
lahat.
only treat me like a friend.
Minamahal
Because I'm
kita
not the right girl for you.
pagkat
Because my best
nasa'yo
friend that I
na
love
ang
never
lahat.
loves me back.
Pati ang puso ko. Nasa'yo na ang lahat. Minamahal kita
Yes, I like
pa.
you. Yes, I love
Nasa'yo na ang lahat. Pati ang puso ko.
you. Because you make fun of me. Why? Because I get back and say I love you.
Nasa iyo na ang lahat.
Why is it easy to say I love you to her? Because she's beautiful, that's it?
You think just because of her beautiful face, I like her more?
Ibibigay ang lahat.
And yet, why do you walk out?
I just wanted to go.
What kind of answer is that?
Handa
Joy, are you mad at me? Are you?
Would never leave me.
ng
But
iyong
you left me there.
Kim, I'm right here now.
iwan ay
Promise me that you will not be late.
sugat sa puso, karamay ka.
This is what you want, right?
Sa hirap at saya,
I don't even understand.
saan mo man damdamin ko, ay nandiyan pa rin sa iyong tabi. Kapag ako
I'm just your best
ay
friend. A friend that you will listen
nagmahal,
whenever you have a problem.
lahat ng
You're snake,
ito'y
the advice giver.
magagawa.
I'm working all just
Di
for you.
magbabago,
So stupid.
di maghahangad ng anumang kapalit. Kapag ako ay nagmahal, umiyak man ako, hindi ko ito ikakahiya. Handa akong magtipis. Pag ako
What do you want to hear from me again?
ay nagmahal,
But you can fight on it. You wanted to make sure of it. You're not just stupid. You're sad.